Welcome back to our channel. Today we're excited to guide you through the process of searching for people in X. Whether you're reconnecting with old friends, looking for professional contacts, or simply curious about someone, X has you covered. Let's get started with this comprehensive guide. Step 1. Open X on your device. Step 2. Locate the search icon in the bottom drawer and tap on it to initiate a search. Step 3. Enter the name or relevant details of the person you want to find. X's powerful search engine will help you narrow down your search results. Step 4. Now, let's find the person you're looking for. Tap on People from the top slider. X will present you with a curated list of profiles and information related to the person you searched for. Whether it's their social media profiles, professional details, or any other relevant information, you'll find it all in one convenient place. By following these simple steps, you can easily search for people in X and discover a wealth of information. Connect with friends, colleagues, and even explore new connections with ease. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to search for people in X. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.